This question comes from Toronto, Canada. I'm confused when I see the term moisturize, at least when it's used for oils being applied to skin and nails. I don't see how oil can moisturize. Doesn't the term mean to add water, not oil? And how is all this different from using humectants? I agree, these terms are confusing. The original definition of moisturize is to reverse dryness, which is caused by the lack of water, also known as moisture. Confusion occurs because some consider the absorption of any liquid into any solid to be moisturizing, and many marketers misuse this term to mean making the skin more soft and supple, which does occur when adding moisture or oil to skin, or nails for that matter. So the meaning of this word has become confused by cosmetic marketing, and it's used to mean many things, which of course leads to confusion. As this question points out, many are taught that oils are moisturizing, which seems contradictory because natural oils contain no water. But it's not completely wrong, just confusing because moisturization occurs indirectly. By that I mean, oils on the skin and nails can indirectly increase the water content of the skin and the nails. How? Well, this occurs because oils can seal the surface and prevent moisture from escaping. Therefore, moisture builds up underneath the applied oil layer, and this increases the water content of the nail plate, and of course the same happens for skin. But when nail polish, UV gels, or any other type of nail coating is applied, the exact same thing occurs to the nail plate. The water content of the natural nail can nearly double by wearing some types of nail coatings. When this occurs, the increased moisture will make the nail plate more flexible and softer, confusing some clients into mistakenly assuming their nails are thinner or weaker. Even so, no one would claim that nail polish is a moisturizer for the nail plate. So when you hear this term, realize that it can mean many things or nothing at all. In other words, don't be too impressed by claims of moisturizing. Rinsing your hand and nails in water is moisturizing as well. Of course, there are times when this term is meaningful. Some ingredients can absorb into the nails, hair, or skin to act as moisture magnets. By that I mean, these special ingredients will bind with water and hold on to it tightly. These types of ingredients increase the moisture content by preventing water from escaping or evaporating from the nails, skin, or hair. Sodium hyaluronate is a perfect example. Excuse me. This ingredient is added to many cosmetics, and it's also distributed widely in many types of human tissue, including our eyeballs. Water molecules will bind tightly to the substance, allowing the substance to act like an internal tissue lubricant. Humectants are ingredients which can draw excess moisture from the air or surrounding tissue, which is why they're called moisture magnets. They increase the moisture content of their immediate surroundings. Other common examples are panthenol, glycerin, urea, propylene or butylene glycol. Now the opposite of a humectant is a desiccant. Desiccants are pretty different. At least they're different types of moisture magnets, I should say. They have a drying effect rather than a lubricating effect because they absorb moisture from their surroundings and decrease the moisture content of the surrounding environment. Examples of desiccants are table salt, silica gel, bentonite clay, and calcium chloride.